I guess today I'm doing another random decluttering. So I'm doing laundry and I'm going through here, putting stuff away, and then I pulled out this pillow. It was, I don't even remember why I bought that. It's cheap. And you know what? I don't know what to do with that because I'm pretty sure Goodwill does not take pillows. So I don't need that anymore. And then I have some underwear that I went through that nobody wants to see. I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of underwear that I'm getting rid of. And then this. I saved this. It was in between those. And I don't need it, so I'm getting rid of that. But I did want to show you a tip. So one, I have watched a lot of videos recently, and people were like organizing their drawers like this. So they buy containers, like this, and put it in here to put things in here. But then I'm saying don't do this. Well, you can do what you want, but I'm suggesting you don't. It's not necessary to buy containers all the way across. So I'd need 1, 2, 3, 4 more containers to house all these things. Why? Save yourself some money and just slide it over and use the basket itself as a divider in between. You do not need a container all the way across. It's not necessary. Anyway, that is one little tip there. And I definitely suggest doing the KonMari style of folding. Sometimes I go across this way. Sometimes I go back and forth. These just fit better like this, but I think across is better because sometimes the ones in the back get lost in the shuffling because you tend to pull only the ones in the front. So, you know, you have to decide for yourself what is the best way. But it does help keep it organized. And yeah. Well, another thing you can do is when you put stuff away, don't put it, if you're doing the front to back thing, don't put the newly clean folded stuff, which I just did, in the front. Slide everything forward and put it in the back. I actually think hubby probably doesn't want that one pair because he never wears it. We'll see if he grabs it. Like, these are a certain brand. That's a different brand. I bet you he don't want that anymore. I'll have to ask him. Okay, and in between all of that, you know, I'm doing my daily chores, so I'm going to strip the bed while I'm doing my daily chores and decluttering randomly. Okay, so this one is hard for me, but I really think about it. I am not wearing any of these necklaces, and I'm probably not going to. Definitely not wearing this one. Or, see, now that I'm touching it, I'm like, oh, I want to keep that, but come on, I'm not wearing them. This is the kind of necklace that I like to wear. Simple chain with a tiny little thing on it. I'm not gonna wear this chunky necklace. That's a keepsake from my mother-in-law. This one also has seen better days. I think it has matching earrings to it, so this I got from Hawaii, but it looks pretty bad. I need to let it go. I need to let that go. This one, yeah, I'm not gonna wear that either. I think I'll keep that one. That's enough for now. I'll go through. I have more in my jewelry armoire, but I'm just gonna get rid of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for now. Okay, and then I'm gonna put each necklace in. I might take these to the consignment shop. Whatever, if I get $1 for them, who cares? What am I gonna do? Anyway, it's better than nothing. So now I've just tangled them up. So I'm gonna individually put them in bags so they don't get tangled up. So here's another thing with the random decluttering. So I just got rid of 5. Maybe even make that your thing. All right, I'm going to get rid of 5 pieces of jewelry today when I'm random decluttering. Instead of trying to go through the whole entire cabinet, which I've already done. See that purple thing on top? I bought that with the intention of cleaning out this whole entire thing and only reducing it to that one purple thing. And yeah, I found all the pieces that I wanted, which here are laying on the top here, which I should go ahead and put in over here on my tree, my jewelry tree, because these are the pieces I wear. Not that one, that one's broken. All right, so that can go. Anyway, I put all of my favorite pieces in here and have yet to go through the rest. I didn't know. So I'm going to do it this way. Just random, pick 5 things once a week maybe. And eventually I'll probably get rid of quite a bit. See, this one is one I like to wear most often. That one. And then this one. And then this one. And put it right here. And yeah. Okay guys, don't forget, every Thursday I will be posting a decluttering video, and so will Karen at This Manner's Mom and Dee from Dee Lovely Life. One of us will be posting a video, or all 3 of us. So make sure you check out their channels. I will leave the links to their channel on the end screen and in the description below. You know, I don't wear this anymore. I have my favorite wrap bracelet, which I believe is on my desk in my office, so I can get rid of that. These 2 pieces, that is from my sister who passed away, so I like to keep these right here. And those were hers, and she let us pick some jewelry when we went out to visit her, like, I don't know, a couple months before she passed, my sister and I. And we picked out a few pieces from her jewelry. And I think I have some earrings too that match all that. So yeah, and I guess this is, I don't know what I think about that. Maybe I'll put it in the Ziploc bag and donate that. Oh, here are the earrings that go with this. I forget the name of one of those jewelry companies, you know, that have parties. Yeah, but these need to be clean. But I'll just donate those to the Goodwill. Yeah. What else do I got here? Mostly I just wear these hoop earrings here. Or, I don't know. See, I put all these in here. Like, seriously, these are toe rings. Michelle, you're not going to wear those? Come on now. All right, get rid of those. See, I already cleaned it out thinking I was going to wear these, but I'm not. So, I just need minimal jewelry. All right, I have 4 nice pieces that I could possibly take to the consignment shop. I don't know, never done that before, but I talked about in another video, I did take 8 shirts to the consignment shop and got $25. Not a whole lot of money, but I got a pedicure with it. So there you go. And then I'll just donate these. Yeah. Okay, strip the bed, and that's washing. See, and like I said, or did I say that? That it's just too overwhelming for me to think about doing this. And sometimes you just don't have time to do, oh my gosh. Literally, this is an eyeglass chain. I'm not, yeah, I wear my glasses 24/7. I used to take them on and off, but yeah, see, I'm not doing that right now. So that can go too. Just take a few things. If you need to go in your closet and you have like 20, 30 pairs of shoes, but it's too overwhelming for you, just look at your shoes real quick and grab 1 or 2 pairs and say, all right, I'm not wearing these, they can go. Don't worry about looking through the rest. Just take ones you know you're not absolutely not wearing. I don't really have that many, but now that I'm doing that, yeah, I'm not doing that today. I don't wear a bunch of these. Yeah. Even though I don't have that many. I have pared down a lot. I used to have way more than that, but I probably could get rid of some. Because I buy new ones and then I don't wear the old ones. They're not that old, but I just like to have a new pair every once in a while. And then I just don't end up wearing the other ones. Do you do that? Let me know in the comments. And also, too, you can do that one drawer thing. I think I'll do that, too. So, once a week, I'll go through one drawer and see what I can get rid of. Not wearing any of that. Yeah. That's broken. Never fixed it. I do want to fix that. We got that from a art show, but I digress, because like, I'm never going to wear that again. I didn't even know what I was thinking buying that. So, there's that. Okay, I got rid of one more thing. These are the earrings and necklace. Maybe somebody will want them. I'll take it to the consignment shop, but I don't know that they will accept it. Then, if not, I will donate it. Some old lady might like them. What am I talking about? I am an old lady. Okay, I was decluttering lizards, too. I found 4 lizards. I'll spare you the details of that. No one wants to see that. All right, so I'm not really putting anything away in here, but somehow some stuff got messy, so I need to straighten it up. And those, I should just go ahead and take them out, because those are going to go in the entryway for fall. And the entryway is a mess right now, but I'll put that over here. And this stuff is going to have to go somewhere else, because I'm going to do the entryway next for decor on Monday. You will see that. It is a collab I'm doing with Denise at This and That with Denise Jordan. So stay tuned for that. Fall clean and decorate. Alright, so this is like all my Christmas covers. And this kind of got a mess. And yeah. I wanted to replace the red one with this scarf. And the library. Okay. I want to get rid of this. I don't need that anymore. And so, I think that's it. What is behind there? Oh, a carpet. Yeah. Alright, that's done. I took the footstool that was in the bathroom for the kids to use, that plastic one for the sink, and they haven't been over here since 6 weeks ago. And I'm just putting it in there now. Alright, so I'm not sure if I'm keeping these. I'm still deciding. So that's my fall stuff, the winter stuff. And there is Easter. It's just 2 pillow covers. By the way, stop buying pillows. I stopped buying them a long time ago. I do have 3. An Easter one, a Christmas one, and a fall one. The one that you just saw, the pumpkin one. Just for the bench. I don't know, just cause. But no more buying regular pillows. Just buy the pillow covers. It's cheaper. You can get a whole set for like 20 bucks. Anyway, so so that owl one, I don't really like that owl, but I use it to put covers on for decor for the seasons. So there's 2 somewhere on my couch, I think. I have a pillow cover on it. So there's that. And then there's one extra boho one that I'm not using right now because I'm doing fall covers. So that's just in there. So that's the only thing I got rid of. That's going to go by the front door after I clean up that mess. All right, and add that to the pile. That's not part of the pile.
Also, don't forget, on September 30th is the Fall One Box Challenge. Is an open invite, so if you're a fellow YouTuber, you can join in. Just declutter 1 box of stuff and show that in your video and post it to the playlist. And I will have all the information for that open invite on my community page. The link will be down below in the description.
When I vacuum that out, it gets super dusty because it just goes right under there. And there was a lizard in there. Yeah.
And as I am filming this video, it is Wednesday and it's Anti-Procrastination Wednesday. And as you know, I do several anti-procrastination tasks try to do that on Wednesdays. So that was already included in the decluttering here. So I've been procrastinating doing the jewelry box. And did you see how that worked out? So I said only 5 things. And then once I got started, I ended up doing a few more other things, you know, that perpetual thing. So hubby came in while I was making the bed, and I asked him about that pair of shorts that I showed you in the drawer. He said, yeah, can get rid of them. And another anti-procrastination task is not making the bed, washing the sheets and putting new sheets on the bed, because I've been procrastinating that. That hasn't been on my list for several weeks, and I finally got to it. So if something has been on your list for more than a week, a month, a year, then that would be an anti-procrastination task. So do that. Let me know what anti-procrastination tasks you got done on this Wednesday in the comments below. And if you have not yet started your anti-procrastination list, I have a free printable for you that will also be in the description. So check that out and print it out. If you like this video, I'd love for you to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment below. And if you're new to my channel, click my face right there and subscribe. And don't forget to check out Dee's and Karen's channel. Their face will be right there. Click on it. Click on it now.